Hey, guys. So, let me tell you a little story. A while back, I encountered someone who I really didn't get along with. The hate between us was palpable, and it affected me more than I realized at the time. It got me thinking about the impact hate can have on us and those around us. Hate is a powerful emotion that can consume us and cloud our judgment. When we harbor hate towards someone, it not only affects our mental and emotional well-being but also creates a toxic environment for both parties involved. It's like a dark cloud hanging over us, blocking out any chance of understanding and compassion. How often do misunderstandings and differences lead to hate towards someone? Maybe it's a clash of personalities, a difference in beliefs, or simply a miscommunication that spirals out of control. These small seeds of discord can quickly grow into full-blown hate if left unchecked. But here's the thing, the person you hate, they're not some villain with malicious intent. More often than not, they are struggling with their own battles and insecurities. They have their own fears, doubts, and vulnerabilities, just like you and me. Realizing this can be a game changer in how we perceive and approach those we harbor hate towards. Following action, empathy, and understanding are key in overcoming hate towards others. Putting yourself in their shoes, trying to see the world from their perspective, can soften the hardened walls of hate. It's about breaking down barriers and building bridges instead of walls. Forgiveness is a powerful tool in releasing ourselves from the grip of hate. Letting go of negative feelings towards those we once despised can be incredibly liberating. It's like freeing yourself from a heavy burden that you've been carrying for far too long. Forgiveness doesn't justify the wrongs done but rather sets you free from the chains of hate. I encourage you to take a moment to reflect on your own feelings towards others. Have you ever harbored hate towards someone? How did it affect you and those around you? Share your experiences in the comments below. Let's start a conversation about understanding, empathy, and forgiveness. Remember, it's never too late to let go of hate and embrace love and compassion instead.